Associates at the Honda Alabama auto plant today celebrated the start of mass production of the all-new 2023 Honda Pilot, which includes the Pilot TrailSport, the most off-road capable Honda SUV ever. To build the fourth-generation Pilot lineup, the largest and most powerful SUV in Honda history, OP associates were challenged with the most changes of any Honda Pilot since the first model was introduced in 2003. OP is the exclusive global production source for the Pilot and Pilot TrailSport, continuing the 40-year legacy of Honda's commitment to build products close to the customer. Since 2006, Honda has produced more than 2 million Pilots in the US. The all-new Pilot lineup was designed at the Honda Design Studio in California and developed by Honda R&D engineers at the company's North American Automotive Development Center in Raymond, Ohio. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share,